Kenya National Bureau of Statistics will leverage citizen-generated data in their services in a move aimed at having more inclusive data to inform decision-making and policy formulation. To ensure accuracy and validity of data provided, the Bureau has established a technical working committee that will create frameworks that will facilitate data collection from citizens. Here's Trevor Ng'endo with the details.
Like many African nations, Kenya grapples with the challenge of data availability that poses obstacles to informed decision-making, policy formulation and proper planning. The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics has come up with an innovative solution that now seeks to streamline existing methods in gathering and dissemination of data.
Previously, we've relied on what was quote-unquote called official statistics generated by National Bureau of Statistics. But now we have a framework that enables that alternative data set to also be accepted so that we can really talk the stories of the people, and they can also be at the forefront of producing data that really is able to influence change.
Some of this information that is available there, you know very well that government may not be able to collect all the information that is necessary to be able to provide indicators on the development agenda. So some of the indicators that are not collected on may be collected by some of these civil society organizations, and we may be able to use that information. So that information is validated for official reporting.
The new method will enable Kenyans to swiftly provide real-time data through collaboration with private stakeholders and civil societies.
A group of citizens in a county could come together and collect data about their own village and find what gaps in development there are in that village. And because they have data, they can go to the county government and say, we need X and Y as a matter of priority, and this is the data to prove that, that we need it.
It is also going to be a platform for capacity building, for data literacy and knowledge sharing. It will also be a way of advocating for statistics in the country.
The thing that we've achieved here today is to ensure that different sectors and different institutions are collaborating and communicating so that data gaps can be identified and can be filled by looking at data in a holistic way.
KNBS has established a technical working committee comprising of SDG Kenya Forum, the academia and civil societies, targeting to address data gaps and enhance citizen-generated data collection. Trevor Ng'endo for Prime Edition.